In this tutorial, we will cover unsupervised classification of a Landsat image in ArcMap 10. For more background information on image classification, be sure to refer to the written version of this tutorial, which is Tutorial 18. This video was produced by Virginia View, a consortium dedicated to promoting remote sensing outreach, education, and research, with funding from the America View Consortium. This video was developed in partnership with the Virginia Geospatial Extension Program and GeoTED. To do this, we're going to use the Reclass tool in the Spatial Analyst Toolbox. So first open ArcToolbox, expand Spatial Analyst Tools, expand the Reclass submenu, and open the Reclassify tool. I'm going to resize my window and move it so I can see the colors I assigned to my classes. My input layer is the 25 class raster. I have a table with old values and new values. I want to see each old value individually rather than seeing a range. So I select the Unique button. Now I can look at each old value displayed in my table of contents. And by clicking and typing in the New Value column, I can assign it a value from one of my 4 classes. Do this for each of the 25 old values. The colors that you've assigned to the different classes should help you in figuring out which of the 4 class values you need to enter. Here you can see I've assigned each old value either a 1, 2, 3, or 4. I've renamed my output and I click OK. My new raster has just the 4 classes that I want, but not the colors that I want displayed. Right-click the new layer name and go to Properties. Be sure the Symbology tab is open. Double-click on each label. Select the correct color, and click and type to change the text label for each class. Repeat for each of the 4 classes. Now we're going to open the attribute table of your new layer. So right-click on your new layer, open its attribute table. Here we have a count of the number of pixels in each of the 4 classes, with the value being the class number. We can calculate the percent of land cover in each of the 4 classes. To start, right-click on the Count field, go to Statistics, and make note of the sum. This is the total number of pixels in the image. Yours should be a different number than mine. Once you've written down the sum, close the statistics. Now we'll make a new field to house the percentage calculation. So first go to Table Options, Add Field, name the field, select the double field type, and click OK. You have your new empty field, and now we need to calculate its values. Right-click the field header of your new field, go to Field Calculator. To find percentage, you want to divide the count for each field by your total number of pixels that you found by looking under Statistics. Then you want to multiply all of that by 100. Once you've entered the formula, click OK. This calculation gives us a good overview of the unsupervised classification that we just completed. Tutorial 19 will cover supervised classification, and Tutorial 20 will cover accuracy assessments for both types.